From ancient times when the first tools were crafted from stone and bone, to today's high-tech power tools, the evolution of woodworking tools has been driven by a relentless pursuit of precision and efficiency. Woodworking, a craft that has shaped human civilization, now stands at the brink of a technological revolution, thanks to innovations like Makita's new Power Planer. This tool is not just a step, but a leap forward in woodworking technology. The importance of precision in woodworking cannot be overstated. Whether it's crafting a custom piece of furniture or carving intricate joinery, the quality of the work depends heavily on the precision of the tools used. Enter Makita's latest offering, which combines years of engineering prowess with cutting-edge technology to deliver unmatched precision and control. As we delve deeper into the features and functionalities of the Makita Power Planer, it's clear that this tool is designed to transform the way woodworkers approach their craft. Its innovative features promise to enhance accuracy, reduce work time, and push the boundaries of what's possible in woodworking. Makita has long been a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the tool industry. Known for their robust and reliable power tools, Makita has consistently set standards in the woodworking and construction sectors. The introduction of the Power Planer is a testament to Makita's commitment to innovation and excellence in tool manufacturing. This new Power Planer is equipped with groundbreaking precision control technology. This feature allows for unprecedented control over the tool, enabling woodworkers to achieve extremely precise cuts with minimal effort. The technology adjusts the planer's operation to the material's condition and the desired outcome, making it a versatile tool for any woodworking project. The implications of such technology are profound. With the Power Planer, Makita is not just selling a tool, they are offering a way to enhance craftsmanship. This planer allows for adjustments that can cater to both rough dimensioning and fine detailing, making it a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. One of the standout features of the Makita Power Planer is its depth adjustment capability. This allows woodworkers to set the exact depth of cut, which is crucial for achieving the desired finish and precision in projects. The depth adjustment is easily accessible and can be altered with pinpoint accuracy, providing flexibility and control in various woodworking tasks. The benefits of such precision are manifold. For instance, when working on a complex piece like a wooden sculpture or detailed furniture, even a slight deviation in depth can mar the aesthetics and functionality of the piece. Here, the depth control feature of the Power Planer shines, ensuring that each pass of the tool is just as accurate as the last. Furthermore, this feature is not just about accuracy. It also significantly speeds up the process, as woodworkers can trust the tool to make consistent cuts, reducing the need for multiple passes and adjustments. This efficiency is invaluable in a professional setting where time is often as critical as precision. Section 4. The power behind the precision. A high-performance motor. The heart of Makita's Power Planer is its high-performance motor. Designed to handle both softwoods and hardwoods, this motor ensures that the planer can maintain consistent speed and power through all types of wood, regardless of grain or hardness. This capability is essential for professional woodworkers who require a tool that can adapt to a wide range of materials and conditions. The power of this motor also enhances the material removal rate, which is crucial when working on larger projects or when needing to make significant adjustments to a piece of wood. The motor's efficiency means less strain on the tool and the user, leading to better outcomes and longer tool life. Moreover, the robust motor complements the precision features of the planer. It ensures that the tool can deliver precise adjustments and cuts without bogging down, even under heavy loads. This synergy between power and precision is what sets the Makita Power Planer apart in a crowded market of woodworking tools. Section 5. Impact on woodworking. Precision, ease, and innovation. The introduction of the Makita Power Planer into the market marks a significant leap in the field of woodworking. It embodies precision, ease of use, and innovation. Three pillars that are crucial for any tool intended for both hobbyists and professionals. The precision control technology alone has set a new standard, challenging competitors and pushing the industry forward. For professionals, the Power Planer means less time spent on adjustments and more time focusing on the creative aspects of their projects. For hobbyists, it provides an opportunity to work with a tool that offers professional-grade results without requiring years of skill to operate effectively. This democratization of high-quality results is a game changer. The ease of use also means that the learning curve for operating the Power Planner is significantly reduced. New users can achieve high levels of precision without the usual trial and error associated with mastering a new tool. This aspect is particularly appealing in educational settings or for those just starting in woodworking. Section 6. Conclusion. A new era for woodworkers. Makita's Power Planer is not just a new tool, it's the herald of a new era in woodworking. With its cutting-edge precision control technology, powerful motor, and user-friendly features, it is set to revolutionize the way woodworkers of all skill levels approach their craft. Whether it's a complex furniture project, a delicate carving, or routine tasks, the Power Planer enhances both the process and the final product. As we embrace this new era, the boundaries of what can be achieved with wood are expanding. Makita's innovation invites both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic beginners to explore new possibilities in woodworking. The Power Planner is more than just a tool. It's a bridge to a future where precision and creativity go hand in hand, crafting not only beautiful pieces, but also inspiring the woodworkers behind them. In conclusion, whether you are a professional looking to upgrade your tool arsenal or a hobbyist seeking to refine your craft, the Makita Power Planner is a cornerstone for any serious woodworking endeavor. Its impact on the industry is profound, setting new benchmarks in quality, efficiency, and design.